3. In this video, I'll show you how to use Descript Overdub. First, open Descript and sign into your account. Open the project where you want to edit your voice. If you haven't already, make sure your audio has been transcribed because Overdub works directly with the transcript. Next, select the word or sentence you want to replace. Simply highlight the text in the transcript and type the new words you want to use. Descript will recognize that you've changed the transcript and give you the option to generate new audio using Overdub. After that, apply the Overdub change. Descript will generate a new version of your voice that matches the edited text. Depending on the length of the edit, this may only take a few seconds. Now, play the updated section and listen carefully. If the new audio doesn't sound exactly the way you want, edit the text again or make small wording changes. Short, natural sentences usually produce the best results. Once you're happy with the edit, listen to the entire recording to make sure the new audio blends smoothly with the original recording. If needed, make any final adjustments before exporting. Finally, click Export, choose your preferred audio or video format, select your quality settings, and save the finished file to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Descript Overdub. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.